Good morning guys, Marlon from Impress Computers, and today we have another custom build. So this build is gonna be for Roland. For those who doesn't know who that is, it's the owner of Impress Computers. We're gonna use a Z390 with the latest generation i7 processor. It's gonna go 1 terabyte NVMe, the GTX1660 Ti. We're gonna be using the Corsair 460X. This is a crystal clear case with RGB and fan headers. The beauty of the custom build is that you can actually upgrade it along. With pre-built machines, like for business and stuff like that, it's pretty much what they have, and the only thing you can probably replace is the hard drives if they fail. Alright guys, so this brings the two screws for the NVMe manual, DVD drivers for everything. They also bring this easy way, pretty much plug and play for the front connections for the case, the antenna for the wireless, RGB cable if you have like a header, if you want to plug it in, high wraps for better cable management, and of course the SATA cable. So let's go ahead and unbox the processor, put everything inside the motherboards and take a look at it. You got your sticker, processor, and its fan. Manual, warranty stuff, fan, kit, and the pump itself. Alrighty guys, so we got the computer up and running. As you can tell, you got the nice RGB fans in the front. You have a control fan and color as well, so you can change the colors. You can change it like the breathe effect and all that stuff. For the custom gaming computers, you can upgrade anything that you have inside of them. That's the beauty of them. So if you have any questions on this build, please leave your comments down below or give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.